I'm having a hard time right now.
Oy, puffer fish!
So this is a mukbang. You look so tita. Ah! Ala! Dabutanding. So today is May 14 and birthday ng sister ko. So happy birthday, sister. Right now, nagpe-prepare na ako kasi we are going to the beach. Doon siya magsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Kaysa ako lang ba, yung every time na mag-go swimming, naliligo pa ako before going sa swimming itself. Anyways, before we do the makeup, mag-ano muna tayo. Ano? We're gonna do skincare. Wow, dito na siya guys. Dito yung kasama ko mag-vlog talaga. Super late niya, ganyan. So we're just gonna put some sunscreen. Ganito kadami guys. So, ay lang, dami nga. Ito oh. You want? This is just a random sunscreen guys. I don't know what will happen to my face to be honest. I'm gonna put dito. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time right now. Sabi dun sa color correction na parang over naman sa correct. Oh my God. This is such a laugh. Medyo nag-set na siya and medyo kinabahan ako dun mga Auntie Maria. Okay, after we put the sunscreen, we will now do our makeup. Pero I feel like tatama rin ulit ako guys. Kaya naman, magta-transition na ulit tayo. And 3, 2, 1. As you can see, ako lang yung nakaayos ngayon. Kasi sa beach na raw siya mag-aayos.
Hello!
Hala! Kami ulit ang magkakasama. Sultan!
Opay!
So we're on our way to the resort.
The original
See you later! See you later, guys! We're here! We're here! Hi guys! So we brought kimchi and seaweed. As you know, in our Korean culture, as a Korean, it's our tradition to have kimchi in our meals and all that stuff. So we bought it.
Yeah.
We also have nori and everything nice. Kasi alam nyo na ang mga dugong Koreana. Aliyah! Let me see your face. Wow, say hi. Hi! You look so tita. Are you a tita? So I bought Pocari Sweat because you know we need to rehydrate later. Auntie Luz, hi! Ito na ang agenda. Ito ang agenda na sinasabi nila. Hi guys! So, we're meeting right now. Pancit. Ang iting pancit al kimchi. Tapos mamaya tayo mag-swim guys. So this is a mukbang. I have nori here. Sa pancit. A huge family at ang daming friends.
nag-bait ka? Excited ako birthday.
Kaya ka nung...
Three,
2, 3, go!
left, right, left.
May the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday! Guys, our vlog for today is this anklet. That costs $500. It's actually kind of pricey, but it's understandable though. Just by looking at it, it's so beautiful. Tapos naglate, Anes. Natural, came from the ocean itself. So, hi girls! Welcome to our vlog. Guess what I'm drinking? It's orange soda. Made from the ocean itself. Ocean itself! Here is Dan. We have here Tobe.
Hey everyone!
We have another food to show you. It's biko.
Sweet
And,
and
sticky.
it's melting in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Let's try
Actually,
it again.
if you wanna, sound
Oh
more
my God.
expensive, it's called
Top tier.
it's sticky rice with glutinous rice balls and glutinous jackfruit and glutinous papaya soup.
It's so good, I'm gonna die. I am in the beach now. It's still a bit hot. Init pa guys, pero go lang. I don't know if you guys could see me right now, pero like, it's so hot. Parang niluluto talaga dun sa, alam mo yung boiling water. Ganun. Hindi naman siya, medyo okay lang ako. Pero mainit siya, pero hindi yung super. Kanina lumangoy na ako sa pool. That's why I'm soaked. Guys, ang love. Alam mo yung dragon boat na yan, dyan nakasakay yung kapatid ko, si Roshan. Natumba daw. So, nagsiswim sila somewhere here. Funny. Ten! Ag-vlog ka kano, ah? Kita naman na volleyball mo nga, Rod.
Wala naman yung bulat eh. Yung matunduri bagay da, kakastal dapat.
Diba? Diba
Hindi kita na extend na yung tagapaguli.
Diba?
Hindi kita na extend na yun.
Sino di dyan? Ala! Ala! Dabutanding.
Sino ang tanong tamay? Adat!
Oh.
Shit, mga mga takis.
Shit.
Eme lang tayo, eme lang. Uy, eme lang! Mga mga tapok, kamunji tapok. Kita nga ang tagapaguli. Eksena kayo, nag-a-update na balayiyo.
Kasi ka mga taga-tubaw, ngenge ka man nun.
Kaya na nabarto, dinanong-danong kay Tuyo. Kaya piling ko baka-baka. Sino
Tama.
tinakari dito, tagdanog-danog, huwag tiro para bito-bito ko.
At damay bumitog, Anes.
Diba? So guys, we're going to Beach Valley and baka-baka te. Alinin ako ng garas na. Sige na.
Wala naglaing. Nagmaya.
Doon ko mga nakarin pa. Pagbali na. Oy, puffer fish! Oy! Ay! Ay! Puffer fish! Ayun na to. Ayun siya.
Oh my gosh, it's a puffer fish.
Feeling ko. Limo. Andiyan na!
I-supplement di Kwan B. Ay!
Ay, wala tayo sunog. Ay, gaan.